Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. I just took an entry on Cardano. I'm going to show you that entry in a moment. But first of all, just out on the hourly, showing you a couple different corrections we could be getting. First of all, you know I've been anticipating a triangle in this area for quite a long time. Right here, before our third wave to complete to the downside and an ending diagonal. And I've been using this as a fractal. Nothing says that has to pan out, but I just wanted to show you what I'm expecting here and why I took the trade. First of all, have this as 3 different correction options. 2 of them lead to the downside right now, which is one of the reasons I took them. The first one is a flat pattern where we have a 3, 3, and then we get probably a ending diagonal here, like so. 3 in here, 3, 3, 3. That's our upside pattern. Another option is we get a complex correction where this is the beginning of a flat as a WXY. We get a correction down like this, then 5 up to complete, and this would be an A, B, C. So that's our bullish scenarios, and you can see even that bullish scenario there has us coming down one more. The other alternative is this is an A. We get an A, B, C as our B wave, and we make a expanded flat or a running flat where we just come back up, don't make a new high, drop from here, or we come up and make a new high, then drop. And the one where I'll look to take profit on is most likely the triangle. We get an ABC, X wave, ABC, down between the 618 and the 786 of this previous wave. And it would look very similar to the previous B wave, but just in a shorter fashion. We have our ABC, you can see our ABC, get an X wave, and another A, B, C to the downside. Now if I go down to the micro, down at the 15-minute, this is more of a scalp trade, and again, realize that this can fail very easily, so don't get upset or hang on to it longer than you need to. It's kind of an ugly count, but we're right at that level between the 50 and the 618 of this first down move. Man, my drawing tool is frustrating. It always seems to be delayed, I think because of the recording software. Between the 50 and 628 of this down move. The only way I can count it as an impulse, but it is valid, is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is an overlap there. I took a really close look at that, and it is not the shortest wave. I have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and an extended 5th. And then we have a ending diagonal here for our 5th of the 5th. So 3, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, not the prettiest count, but more of my corrections have us to the downside than the upside, so I think probabilities favor the short trade. I'm in right now. I bought 2/3 at the 50, and I have one more third at the 618. I haven't measured out the extensions of this, but I was just looking at the wave count. Yeah, we got quite an extension. Looks like to the 2.618 there. Anyways, if we pivot here, I'm looking to take profit at the 1-to-1 extension. And if we come up for one more high, I obviously have to adjust this a little bit. But it's only about 1.5 to 2-to-1 trade here. Let's look at linear scale, 2513, 2516. So I'll take profit on the closer of the two, 2516 on Binance. Check your exchange on that one, where that target is. But again, if we just come up a little more, I'll have to adjust that target. Or if you want to hang on to it, you can, and just place place your stops at invalidation points, which I will update you on as well. But if we go down to the 5 minute, again, when you go down to the real micros, it's really hard to get a good wave count. But I do see this potentially as complete, as a flat A, B, have a 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like a 5. It's very difficult at this level. I'm more leaning into the fact that I have multiple corrections that say we need to come down. I can count a 5 even though it's not the cleanest. And I am at that 50 in the 618 rejection level. And also my risk reward here is pretty good. So currently like this. Stops at this high. You can see I'm getting about 2 to 1 on that trade setup right now. And I think this plays out like this way more than 50% of the time. So very good setup. Anyways, I'll get this up really quickly in case any of you decide to take advantage of it. Again, not financial advice, just what I'm doing. And I will be taking profit down here as soon as we hit that 1-to-1 extension. All right, guys, thanks for watching.